let's talk about master resale rights. What is it, and what I like about it, and what I don't like about it. So master resale rights is when you get the ability to be able to resell a product. Now the advantage of that, if you do master resale rights on something that's digital, guess what? You make a 100% profit. So think about it. You have the ability to make 100% profit off of a product that has already been tested and proven to work in the marketplace. So instead of you making a small percent off of a product, you can make 100% profit. Let me give you an example. This product right here is a network marketing product that I actually love and I use every day. When I used to sell this product, I made $9. So if I wanted to make $900 a day, I would need to get 100 customers to make $900 a day. When I discovered master resale rights in September of 2022, I thought it was brilliant because I could make 100% profit and I could have the ability to have 4 master resale rights income streams. And my number one selling is $900. So now 1 customer equals $900 instead of 100 customer equals $900. That's why so many people aren't making money online. They're selling something super low and needing a lot of volume. Okay, now let me give you another example. Your cell phone. I got my cell phone through Verizon, right? Verizon didn't make this phone. Verizon got the resale rights to be able to sell other people's phones. They are a $17 billion a year company off of other people's products. It's no different in the digital space, but you have the ability to make 100% profit off of other people's products. Now, you're probably going, well, how does the company make money? Because what happens is, and here's another really good part, when you have the ability to get the master resale rights, you also get the ability to have a one-time investment of $39 after you purchase a program for a done-for-you website. Now, if you know anything about a website, I mean, go to Fiverr right now and Google, what do you charge to create a 8-page website? You're gonna see anywhere from $6,000 to $10,000. But because of the master resale rights and because of having the website done for you, you get a one-time investment of $39. So let's talk about the advantages of the master resale rights. So then we're gonna get right into the disadvantages of it. The advantage of master resale rights is the fact that you still get to brand you. You're not having another company's website. You have your website with your domain. So not only do you get the ability to make 100% profit off of other people's products, you now can brand you. And the way the website is set up is gonna help you brand you, build your email list, because email equals income, be able to build your following, and sky's the limit. The other advantage of master resale rights is the fact that it is an educational program. So you are able to learn the skills and the strategies to attract daily paying customers. And you can take those skills and use them for any type of business, product, or coaching. It's the skills in the digital space that you need today. And another great part is you never have to spend money on ads. I've taken this strategy, I've taken literally the program, made 100% profit, and I've never spent a dime on ads. Made 6 figures in 6 months, my first $1 million in 17 months, all from following this process. So what are the disadvantages? The disadvantages is people don't educate themselves on master resale rights. So they think it can be a pyramid scheme, or they think it can be a scam. But it's interesting why they're typing that in the comments. They're using a phone that the company has the resale rights on, right? So for example, your cell phone right now, whoever your carrier is, you can go down there today and you can trade that phone in today and upgrade to a different phone. And guess what? That company is gonna take your phone and refurbish it and sell it over and over again. The disadvantage is there's costs involved. Master resale rights has been around our entire life. This shirt I have on, you think I'm the only one that has this shirt? No, some company bought it in bulk and is selling it over and over and over again. So it's no different. People just have a hard time wrapping their head around when it's digital because you can make 100% profit. I will say back in September of 2022, I'm so grateful that I was open-minded to look at it, because to me, it was the most brilliant business plan. Because not only do I get to keep all the profits, but I have learned the most amazing digital marketing skills that has turned into being monetized on social media, has turned into multiple income streams. But the best part, it's turned into reoccurring income streams. I now make 6 figures a month on reoccurring income that comes in because of the work I did one time. And I learned all of that inside this Master Resale Rights program. So if you are truly ready to build a very peaceful and predictable income stream, so why am I saying peaceful? Because there's no grind, there's no hustle. We actually show you how to get your income earning activities done in 2 hours a day. And the great part is your automated sales process works for you 24/7. So no more trading time for dollars. So if you want more access on Master Resale Rights, exactly what it is, how it works, just put yes in the comments, and I'm going to give you access to the Freedom Formula Blueprint that literally breaks down the advantages of Master Resale Rights and how it can build your following, grow your email list, and attract daily paying customers. Just put yes in the comments, because I would absolutely love to share with you.